Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 19 of the biology. Today topic is growth and development in animals. Embryology is the study of growth and differentiation gone by an organism in the course of its development from a single fertilized egg into highly complex and an independent living being like these parents. Development is an ordered sequence of the irreversible steps which each step setting up the necessary condition for the next step. Since all the animals are some way related through the process of the evolution, there are some similarities in their various form of development. Here we will see a broad outline of the early stages of the development, and this can be described in terms of the several stages depicted below. Gamete formation, sperm and egg formation, fertilization, egg and sperm fuses, cleavage, zygote divides, blastomeres are formed, gastrulation, germ layers are formed, organogenesis, body organs formed, cell interact and differentiate, growth, organs increase in size, adult body formed, attained. Development of chick. The development of chick has been taken as a basic scheme of development. It will provide the basis for the understanding the early differentiation of organ system and the fundamental process of the body formation, which is common in all vertebrates. Fertilization and incubation. The chick egg called the yolk is surrounded by the various necessary coverings secreted by the female reproductive tract. Fertilization is internal and normally take place just as the ovum is entering the oviduct. The shell is secreted as the egg passes through the shell gland. Unless the temperature of the egg is kept nearly up to the body of the temperature of the mother. In the oviduct, the shell is secreted as the egg passes through the shell gland, the uterus. When the egg has laid, the development ceases unless the temperature of the egg is kept nearly up to the body of the temperature of the mother. In incubating eggs artificially, the incubators are usually regulated at temperature between 36 to 38 centigrade. At this temperature, the chick completes development and it's hatched on the 21st day. Cleavage. Immediately after the fertilization, egg undergoes a series of mitosis division called cleavage. In bird's egg, the process of the cell division is confined to the small disc of the protoplasm lying on the surface of the yolk at the animal pole, and this type of the cleavage is referred as a disc completely defined, while those of the peripheral cells are flattened and are larger. Blastula. The morula stage is short-lived and soon change into a blastula, and it is characterized by presence of the segmentation cavity or the discoid cap of the cells above the blastocoel is called as blastoderm. The marginal area of the blastoderm in which the cells remains here to it called as the zone of the junction. Thanks for watching. Detach.